Hello everyone, this video is part of a series where we discuss how to integrate Tally with external applications using Python. In this series, I am going to share an easy way to integrate with Tally. We will use an open source library, TallyConnector, which provides an object-based API to interact with Tally. In this video, we will discuss how to set up the project, configure Intellisense for TallyConnector, and get basic master information from Tally. Now we will start setting up project by downloading dependencies. Download .NET Desktop Runtime 6.0.3 and Python 3.10.2. Download depending upon 32 or 64 bit. Since I already installed them, I am skipping the installation step. Copy TallyConnector and TallyConnector steps compressed files to root folder and extract there. In TallyConnector folder, you can see there will be multiple runtimes: .NET 6, .NET 5, .NET Framework. We will keep only .NET 6 one. We will copy that to root folder and we will delete rest of the folders. Make sure that steps will be in root folder. Now we will delete unnecessary files. And now we got .NET 6 library and steps in root folder. First we will create virtual environment. For that we require virtual env package. First we will install that one. Since I already installed, I am getting requirement already satisfied. I will update this one. Once we install virtual environment, now we will copy this command and we will create virtual environment. Here env is environment name. You can replace it with whatever you want. After creating virtual environment, we will activate virtual environment. Once virtual environment is activated, we will see name of the virtual environment left side. Previously we didn't downloaded one dependency. Now we will download that one. We are downloading directly from GitHub. This will take some time. In the meanwhile, we will create other files. We will create first TallyConnector.json file in root folder and copy the contents from website. Here we are using .NET 6 and version is 6.0.3. If you are using different version, you need to replace them. Now we will create tally.py file and copy default imports from blog. Now we will add the path of DLL to system path so that it is easy to use library throughout the project. I am adding relative path since it is in same folder. If it is outside project, then we need to add the absolute path. Now we will load .NET runtime using the configuration we created earlier, and we will add reference to TallyConnector project. Once we add clr.add reference and give the name of library, we can import TallyConnector classes as we import Python classes. Here it's showing error because TallyConnector is a C# library and we are using it in Python. To solve this error, we use the steps earlier we downloaded and we add the path to python.analysis.extra paths in settings. This will solve the error and we will get Intellisense support in Python. Either you copy this from website or you can directly right click and quick fix that one. This automatically adds it to path. Once we imported Tally from TallyConnector, we can initiate the class by passing parameters URL and port. Since my Tally is running in same system and port 9000, which is default for Tally, we can directly initiate them without passing parameters. If your system or Tally is running in different server or different port, then we can pass it as parameters to Tally constructor. After initiating Tally, we can use check method to verify whether Tally is running in given port and given URL. This will result either true or false. If Tally is running, it will be true, else it will be false. So now Tally is not running, so it will be false. Now I will start Tally and check again, and it will return true. If it is returning false, then you need to check whether Tally is running or not. So now we will try to get the active company. To get the active company, we will use get active Tally company method. This will result ABC company. Now we will change the company and we will see. Now it should be AAA. To get list of companies opened in Tally, we will use tally.getCompaniesList method. We need to import company class from TallyConnector.models. Here we are telling company variable is of type company to get typing support. If we don't put that one, we will not know what are variables and what methods are inside that one. Now you will see list of companies opened in Tally, and we will get other data relevant to company. If you see company class, we have these many fields. Now we will fetch all masters data, basic data like GUID and master IDs. For that we will use tally.fetch all tally data method. This method will return all masters. with their basic data and will be saved in tally.masters. To access them, we will use tally.getMasters method. We need to when calling that method, we need to set parameter tally object type and type of masters we want to retrieve. Tally object type has all master types, ledgers, groups, cost categories. Now we are interested in groups, so we will get groups. In the same way, by passing parameters, we can get all masters. Now we will add relevant imports for masters mapping and list. Here list is from system.collections.generic, not from Python. This master start mapping has all tally master types, so we will iterate through masters mapping and we will set get masters parameter depending upon that master type variable. And yeah, we're getting error because this company variable is set twice. If we comment these lines, this error will be fixed. We will rename company variable to company name, and now we will run. So this will print number of masters for each type. Now we will get the same information from all companies opened in Tally. For that, we uncomment the lines which we commented earlier, and we will make all this code inside that loop so that we can use the company variable. By default, TallyConnector will fetch data from active company in Tally. If we want to change that behavior, we can set default company for this Tally instance by using tally.changeCompany method, and we need to pass the name of the company as parameter to tally.changeCompany. This will make all future requests only to that specific company, and we will get data related to only that company. Now we will set we will use tally.changeCompany to get only that specific company data, and after that we will call tally.fetch all tally data, so it will fetch only masters related to selected company. Now we will run this one. Now this will fetch masters for all companies opened in Tally. So that's all for this video. In next video we'll cover how to create masters, vouchers, how to alter and delete them.